Okay, here we are. We're going to
You
do
will start a screen share.
transitions in PowerPoint. You can apply to all if you want to make this really, really easy, or you can apply individually. I'm going to show you how to do both. So I'm at the top of my slides. You can control home on your thumbnails to do this. I already know you advanced kids know how to do this. So let's go to our transitions. You're going to hit your Alt key.
Alert, press Alt to show and hide meeting controls. Zoom Pro Vision for Blind.
So you're going to hit your Alt key. Sorry, I had lost focus there.
Upper ribbon, transition,
transition. Okay, you're going to hit T to the type of transition that you want.
T, leaving menus, wipe button selected, navigate with left and right.
I'm going to hush them up. Wipe,
split button,
split,
cut button.
Cut. So if you want to get really adventuresome, let's go ahead and apply one at a time.
Split, wipe button
We're
selected.
We're going to do wipe, which just means it's going to swipe from right to left. I'm going to hit enter.
Enter, a vision for educating the blind slot.
Now, I'm going to hush them up. You need to go back to your transitions and you need to pick a sound. The reason why you want to pick a sound, so if you're working with blind students and you hit your F key, or blind adults, you're giving presentations to people, you do want to put a sound in there so everyone knows you're making a change in your slide. Let's go ahead and make a sound now. Alt K.
Okay, upper ribbon, transition.
U is sound.
U, sound list box, no sound button, select, stop, applause button selected.
Okay, applause can, I would actually put that on the very, very last slide. So let's go ahead and go.
Arrow button select.
Not quite something as audacious. Let's go ahead and just arrow.
Enter, leaving menus, a vision for educating the blind slide.
Now let's preview it. So Alt K.
Alt K, upper ribbon, transitions tab to switch.
For preview.
P, leaving menus, a vision for educating.
Hardly anything. Probably not enough. You can change the duration of the sound. So let's do it again. Alt K.
Upper ribbon K.
And hit E for duration.
E, timing, duration, edit, spin box, 01.00 to 00.00001.75.
Okay. Now, I could, I'm not going to apply it all yet. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit enter on
leaving menus, a vision for education.
Now, preview it, Alt KP.
Alt K, upper ribbon, P, leaving menu.
Okay, I highly suggest doing insert space S.
Space. Speech on demand.
So you can actually hear it and then do the commands, Alt KP. Okay, it's not a big sound, but you get the idea. Let's go ahead and page down to the next one. Okay, begin with the end in mind. Absolutely, that's how we teach. Okay, so I'm going to turn my JAWS back on, or my demand.
Full speech.
Okay, here we go. Alt K.
Alt slide to begin.
And we're going to hit T.
T, leaving menus, none button selected.
And
navigate
let's
with
pretend this is my last one.
Fade, push button, white button. Split button.
Split. I'm going to hit
enter. Begin. Slide.
I'm going to go to my sound. Alt
upper ribbon. K. U. Sound list box. Stop previous sound button selected.
I can stop previous sound, but I don't want to. So I'm going to go ahead
button selected.
And go down to applause and hit enter.
Leaving menus. Begin.
Okay. Let's go ahead and play it. Alt KP.
Alt K. Upper ribbon. P. Leaving menus. Begin.
Okay. Let's say I want to apply it to all. So you could pick a good transition and a good sound. Let's do that. Alt K.
Alt K. Upper ribbon.
We're going to say we did U, applause. We're going to do L to apply to all.
L. Leaving menus. Begin. Okay. Slide.
Now, I'm going to hit F6 so you get the idea. F6, sorry. F5 so you get the idea of how this is going to play.
F5. Slide one, vision for educating presenter.
Okay. And I've got 3 screens going here, so...
PowerPoint slide show vision for blind. PP slide.
Okay, here we go. And spacebar.
Slide to begin ellipsis.
So you can actually give the presentation. Every time you hit spacebar, it's going to make that sound. That's how you add sounds to your transitions so everyone in your audience understands what's going on. And that's how you do it.
Escape vision for blind.